They say that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Travel reveals brand new perspectives and knowledge and offers an opportunity for new acquaintances and experiences. They bring us closer, relax us, and rekindle our desire for living. That is why it is not only important who we travel with, but where we travel to. Shopping centers, restaurants, cafes, and yet the natural environment, clean water and air sounds like an ideal place to visit, doesn't it? Located along the bank of the Željeznica River in Ilidža, the most beautiful natural oasis in Sarajevo, Riverwalk building is just that. On 10 floors, there are 149 apartments built according to the latest standards from top quality materials. Modern but warm, like your own home. It is a perfect place to rest and create the most beautiful moments with the most loved ones, the family. Riverwalk offers different types of apartments, so every family can choose the one that suits them best. The interior is designed as a nest of your happy moments that will become the best memories ever. Every detail is intentionally planned for you to experience unforgettable private or business moments. Riverwalk offers business premises that are available for adaptation according to your own wishes and taste, and all this in a beautiful location, easily accessible to everyone. Inside the building, you can find cafes and restaurants to complete the atmosphere for special or everyday moments. At the foot of the Igman mountain, just a few kilometers away from our building, is the Bosna River Source Natural Monument. You can reach it by the famous carriage Fiaker, whose appearance takes you back to the past times of simplicity, nature, and peace. At the Bosna River Source, as in a shell, a source of beauty and purity awaits you, an untouched pearl of nature. Our apartments will surely enhance every moment you spend in this truly special place. A place where you are always welcome. Yours, Riverwalk.